Sige, okay na dito. Ah. Let the battle begin. Let's go! Ay, thank you, boss. Tol. Tara.
Galing din!
Magsisimula na maya-maya ng ating championship game dito sa Barangay Salapan Senior Basketball Tournament 2026. Wala, from both team. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon? Ang Team Black Pasas kaya or ang Team Morris? Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang sa ating paghaharap ng dalawang ito.
Boss, andyan yung tubig mo, okay na?
Ay, okay na. Tiko. Hindi ako na.
Dani!
First five.
Number 17, Latvian. Number 25, Madigan.
27, Estacio.
And number 7, 27, Estacio. Number 17, Rodriguez. Number 18, Tiago. Number 20, Angelio. Number 12, Malona. And number 4, Garcia.
Okay, magsisimula na pa tayo ng ating laban. Our main event between the Team Black Pasas versus the Team Morris. Sa panguna yan ng Team Morris, ang ating beloved barangay captain, Cap Charles I. Tejoso. At para naman sa Black Pasas, ang kanilang contender, good luck. Tingnan natin. First ball, number 4, Garcia all the way. First point mula sa Team Morris by former SK chairman Garcia. Number 17 for 3, miss. Rebound by number 12, pasok up ay Tejoso. Oh, steal. Cross-court pass, number 17 for 3. Yes, sir. For the 3-point of Team Black Pasas. Balik, change favor tayo. 4-3, babawi ba? Oh, out of bounds. Pasas. Number 13, pass number 27. Oh, bad pass. Out of bounds. Galigues. Pass to Cap Ai Tejoso. Tejoso. Oh, another steal. Number 27. Uy! There's a foul. Number 18. That is Cap. Oh, sorry. Because there's a number 4.
Number 27, shooting for 2.
First shot is good. Pasok pa, pasok. Second shot, 2 points. 2 for 2. For Team Black Pasas, 5-2. Kapay, pass to Garcia, another steal. For Team Black Pasas, number 13. Oh! Basket by number 13. 7-2 ang ating talaan. Kapay. Kapay, nakalusot. Guys, sa corner. Galigues. Basket. Oh, sorry, that's number 12.
Number 12, on top, 7 to 4.
Pass to number 17 from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Pass to Kapay. Kapay, Tejoso. Oy, what a nice extra pass. Too strong. Ganda naman ang pass na yun, pero hindi na-convert. CSK chairman. Former. That is Garcia. And there's a foul.
Number 17, first personal foul. Second team foul, by Morris.
On the shot, basket. 9-4. Tejoso, Kapay, Diliscarte. Pinagay, Garcia, binigay sa corner, number 18, pull up, basket. Ay, jersey number 38. Number 13. Crossover, drive. Wala, rebound by number 12. Pasok Kapay. Tejoso. Uy! Wow, wow, wow! Nakikita niyo ba yun? Nice move para kay Kapay. Tejoso. Wala, rebound. Makuha rito ni Kapay ulit. Bounce pass. Out of bounds. Grabe, nagbupas pa rin si Kapay. Sa basketball. Oh, no good. Steal, number 13. Pull up jumper, wala. Rebound, number 12. Pass to Garcia. Garcia, drive, basket. Shane Favor, lamang na ang Team Morris. Number 27, step back 3. Bam! 3-point para jersey number 27. Balik sa kalamangan ng Black Pasas. Kapay, Tejoso. Pass to Garcia. 4-3 at may sagot si Garcia. Assist by Kapay, Tejoso. Ayan na, number 17. Pass to number 27. Number 27, Diliscarte. Crossover, bounce pass, pushing the glass, and score. For jersey number 13. Kapay, Tejoso, may tangan na bola. Setting on the play. Pass number 17, Galigues, 4-3. Bam!
Number 17,
Nasagutan ng 3 points ang magkabilang panig. Ay na, guess a foul. Another foul for Kabay.
Number 7. I need 6 players.
Mandatory substitution tayo. Time remaining 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Mira sa tres. Yes, sir! Change favor. Balik ang alamangan sa Black Pasas. Kagawad, Patricio binigay sa loob. And there's a foul. Counselor Ervic, may hand rin, binigay sa elbow 3, wala. But there's a foul, tulak yun, sabi. Kay jersey number 6. Number 20, bounce pass. Nasa corner, fake. Essie, tumira, short. Out of bounds. Wala rito ng TM Black Pasas. Oy. Almost steal. Number 3, bounce pass. Pull up jumper. May sagot ang team Black Pasas. Counselor Ervic Vijandre. Discarte, setting on the screen. Pinasa elbow, 4-3, no good. Rebound, kaya na, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Team Black Pasas. 19-16. Number 01, 4-3, wala. Rebound. May Kagawad Bigtan. Patricio, drive. Oh! It's a trouble for Kagawad Bigtan. 19-16. Pass to number 3 from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound. Number 20. Rebound again. Oy, wala. Rebound back ka. Counselor Ervic Vijandre. Counselor Ervic nagmamadali. Dire-diretso. Foul daw. Foul. No basket according sa ating official referee. Time remaining 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Number 1. Time out. Official score 19-16. Tingnan natin ang team Morris for the saddle. Oopsie, sorry. Basket. Binigay agad, sorry ko. Second shot, miss. Plus ball possession. First shot. Cristiano. Consi. Conservic. Gets a three. Time out. Good daw. Good. All 19 daw po. Cross-court pass, number 20. Number 3, 4-3, no good. Take a shot, wala. Rebound. And it's a foul. On the free throw area, number 3. First shot, no good. Wow! Second shot, wala. Oh, it's a lane violation. Time remaining 1 minute and 51 seconds. Tabla tayo sa 19. Consular Irving for 3. Yes, sir. For Consular Irving, Alejandre. 21-19. Number 69 at may sagot si Refuerzo. Consular Irving. Alley-oop sa looban. Gets the foul. Daniel shooting for 2.
Number 7, second, personal one. 14 fouls for Black Panthers.
Basket. Bola rito ng Team Black Pasas. 24-21. Uy. Wong pass to De La Paz for 3. De La Paz. Ayun na si Consi Irving. Consi Irving, nabitawan. Still. Number 01, derecho, nabitawan. Number 3 will recover. Messi behind the back. Pull up J. Bye. In and out. But there's a foul. Pushing foul by jersey number 69. Refuerzo. Consular Irving behind it. Sorry, my bad. Time remaining, last 35 seconds. Both teams under penalty situation. 24 all. On the free throw area, jersey number 23, Consular Irving Alejandre. First shot is good for Consi Irving. Second shot, basket. 26-24. 4-point for Team Morris. Number 3. Messi, pass now, De La Paz. Pinasa, tumira, wala. Rebound by Consular Irving. Consi Irving. Rossi, derecho, basket. 7 seconds. Uy. De La Paz. End of the first quarter. Asia scored 28-24 in favor of Team Morris. Bago si De La Paz. Na out of balance, idol. Alright, lamang ng apat ang Team Morris. Second quarter tayo. Let's go. The ball game 28-24, bola rito ng Team Morris. Ayun na, pumasok ulit si Cap Ai. Galigues for 3. Yes sir. Number 24, pass number 27. Setting on the play to number 24. Kick out, number 26 for 3. Wala. Rebound by Galigues. Pass to Cap Ai. Tejoso to number 12. Catch and shoot using the blast. Blast no good. Rebound ng Team Black Pasas. Pass number 24. Kick out. De La Paz. Pass number 24. Crosscourt pass, number 17, from the 3-4 territory, no good. Number 00, no good. Rebound, kick out again. Number 17, running shot and gets the foul. On the free throw area, number 17.
First team foul for Orlando.
First shot, no good. Second shot. Basket. 25-31. Cap Ai, Tejoso. Iriscarte. Cap. Pass number 9. Crosscourt pass to Galigues from elbow. Down! 3 for Galigues. Assist by Cap Ai. Number 24, top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 17. To number 26. Uy, steal. And that's a foul. Ball, same ball. Number 17. Number 27. Uy, ganda naman ang pasa na yun. Number 0. 27-34. Galigues for 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Same ball. Number 12. Pass number 9. 4-3. Short. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Black Pasas. Number 27. Oh, bad pass. Team Morris basketball. Kapay. Cup, drive. Uy, no good. Number 17, wala pa rin. Rebound this time, number 27. Essie, drive, nabitawan. Steal by number 4. Number 4, nagmamadali. 3 against 1. Number 4, what an extra pass. Galigues, easy to points. Ayan na ang block pass sa Essie. Number 27, 4-3. Uy, out of bounds. Time out. Block passes. Official score at 36-27. Lamang pa rin po ang Team Morris. Tingnan natin ang handle muna ng timeout ng team Block passes. Okay, back to the ball game. 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Bola rito ng Team Morris. Cup ay Tijoso. Pass to Garcia from elbow 3, short. Rebound ng block passes. Number 27. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito mapupunta sa Team Morris. 6 minutes and 36 seconds. Team Morris basketball. Cup ay yung magtangan ng bola. Cup. Uy. Kapay, munti ka na magawan. Out of bounds, say ball. Number 12, 4-3, wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Block passes basketball. Pass number 27. Oh, steal by Garcia. 2 against 2. 4 against 2. Oh, bad pass. Steal by number 26. Oy! Number 27. Cross. Essie gets a foul. Parang down. Same ball pa rin tayo. Block pass as basketball. Number 24, side step, steal. Naka-recover, kick out. 0-0. Drive, block. Kapay, nagmamadali. Ay, nasa Cup. 3 against 1. Uy, what a pass! Galigues! Score! Ay na, nagmamadali. Uy! Nakalusot si number 17. 29-38. Balik sa 9 ang lamangan ng Team Morris. Number 17, handoff to Kapay. Tejoso. Diskarte. Kapat ay Hesi. Ayun na, dumidiskarte. Bigay. Number 9, 4-3. Bam! Assist by Kapay Tejoso. What a nice 3-point for jersey number 9. That is Marasigan. Mandatory substitution na tayo. The time remaining 4 minutes and 56 seconds on our game clock. 40-29. Number 3. Sa loob, pull-up jumper, refuerzo with a cut. Basket is good. Babasa siya lamang ng Team Morris. Counselor Ervic. Hesi from elbow 3. Bam! Alejandre, 4-3 for Counselor Ervic Alejandre. a foul. Correction, that's trouble.
On score, 43-31.
4 minutes and 12 seconds. Consular Irving Vijandre. Matangan na bola. Consular Irving. Tumira ulit sa 3. Wala. Rebound. By Refuerzo. Out and pass. 1-on-1. 2 against 1. Oy! Wala! Sayang. Highlights na yun, idol. Consular Irving. Ayan na, derecho, walang tawag. Out and pass. Hahamulin. Uy, nakalusot. Number 13. Kick out. 0-0-4-3. Bang! Yes, para sa Torres. Jersey number 01. 34-43. Wala na tayo, bosses. Pasensya na po. Ayan na, sa loob. Block by number 10. Ayan na, nagmamadali. 2 against 3. Number 01. Napitawan. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng team Morris. Kagawad Patricio. Pass to number 38. Number 38. Sino bibigyan? Si Kagawad Patricio. Kagawad Bigtang. Pass to number 38. Running shot. Wala. Rebound again by number 38. Pass to Consular Irving. Hesse. Floater. Wala. Rebound. And there's a foul. Team Morris or block passes basketball. Oh, there's a foul. Number 16. Crossover pass number 01 for 3. That's Salen. All dito si Kagawad Patricio. Victor Salen on the free throw area. Second shot. Wala. And out. Rebound. By Consular Irving Vijandre. Ayan, nakamano man si Consular Irving. Kagawad Bigtang. Wala. Rebound by Refuerzo. Refuerzo nagmamadali. Refuerzo. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Number 13. Spin. Binali. Wala. Rebound. Uy.
Baloy, hawakan mo, Baloy. Madidisgrasya tayo. Baloy, hawakan mo yan.
Kadabar. Hawakan niyo pa yung mga anak. Aliyub. Wala rito ng Team Morris. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Consular Irving. Oh, that's a trouble. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Uy, nice pass. Refuerzo. Easy 2 points. Consular Irving. And that's an 8 seconds shot clock violation. Oh, correction. Foul. Number 10, umabot pa ang foul. Gawad Bigtang. Pass number 28. Pass to Patricio. Kagawad Bigtang. 4-3, short. Rebound by number 10. Number 10, nagmamadali. Number 10, drive, kick out. 4-3, wala. Rebound by number 13. Side step. Uy, wala. Oh, gets the put back by number 13. Di pa rin nagpalalig. They get their own miss. Uy, there's a foul. Last 14 seconds. 14 po, ha? 10 seconds. Oh, si Irving drive. Oh! Ay na. What a nice move for Consular Irving Alejandre. Alright, end of the first half. Official score, 45-43. Magbabalik tayo para sa third quarter. And muli maraming salamat po sa lahat ng umubo ng ating liga, especially sa ating barangay captain, Kapitan Cap Charles I. Tijoso. Ayan, maraming salamat po, Kap, sa pag-imbita ulit sa akin para may cover ang inyong makasaysayang liga dito sa barangay Salapan. Sa tulong yan ng ating butihing Mayor Francis Zamora at ating barangay council as well. Nandiyan din si Congresswoman Attorney Bel Zamora, Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Agagwili, and sa ating mga councilor ng District 1. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. This is your Barangay Salapan Senior Basketball League Championship Game.